Good morning, my dear children. Today we shall continue with the lesson Bird Watching, lesson number 5. Let's read the lesson once again. I shall read and you repeat after me. Bird watching. Bird watching is a very interesting hobby. One person who made it quite popular was Dr. Salim Ali, or the Birdman of India. He was extremely fond of birds. He traveled all over the world studying different types of birds. He fought very hard to save birds from hunters who shot them for amusement. So in this paragraph, we come to know about bird watching, which is a very interesting hobby. Hobby is something which we do when we are free. So sometimes we like to read, we like to do some gardening, we like to draw, paint, watch television. So all these are a hobby. So who made bird watching very popular? It was Dr. Salim Ali. He is also called the Birdman of India. He was extremely fond of birds. He loved birds, okay? He traveled all over the world and he was studying different types of birds. He fought very hard to save birds from hunters because the hunters were killing the birds for their enjoyment. He gave the world a lot of information about different birds. Did you know that the tallest bird in India is the sarus crane and the smallest is the flower pecker? So Salim Ali gave lots of information about different birds. He was the one who told that the tallest bird in India is the sarus crane and the smallest is the flower pecker. The largest bird in India is the great bustard. The national bird of India is the peacock. Here are some very interesting facts about bird. The common crow is considered as one of the most intelligent birds. So these are some facts about birds which we are going to learn, and one of it is that the common crow is considered as one of the most intelligent birds. The tailor bird actually sews together leaves with cobweb threads or fine grass to build its nest. The hummingbird makes a humming sound by flapping its wings. So children, in the video previously sent, you must have watched the tailor bird making its nest, and this is a fact that the hummingbird makes a humming sound by flapping its wings. So by moving its wings up and down, it makes a humming sound. A bird uses its beak for eating, fighting, and nest building. So the beak is very useful for a bird for eating, fighting with other birds or animals, and of course nest building. Would you like to discover some bird facts too? All you need is a pair of binoculars, a notebook, pencil, and lots of patience to take up bird watching as a hobby. So, are you ready for it? Now this is a binoculars, okay? Some of us pronounce it as binocular, but that is not the correct pronunciation. So binoculars is the correct pronunciation. When you read, you should read it binoculars. So to take up bird watching as a hobby, you need a pair of binoculars, a notebook, pencil, and lots of patience to wait for the bird to come. In this lesson, we learnt about Salim Ali, the birdman of India, Sarus crane, which is the tallest bird in India. The smallest bird in India is the flower pecker. The great bustard is the largest bird in India. Peacock is the national bird of India. The common crow is considered as one of the most intelligent birds. To build a nest, the tailor bird sews together leaves with cobweb threads or fine grass. The hummingbird makes a humming sound by flapping its wings, and a bird uses its beak for eating, fighting, and nest building. Here are some spellings from the lesson bird watching. You have to write them in your notebook. Write them neatly and correctly, and after writing, you need to learn them. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.